Good morning girls. We'll start the new chapter that is current electricity. So before going to the chapter, first you see few definitions which are very important in this chapter. So first, electric current. So what do you mean by the electric current? The charge flowing any cross section area per unit time in a conductor is called the electric current. That means let us assume this is a battery and which is connected to the key and it is connected to some resistor or some conductor. So here the current is flowing through this conductor which conducts the electricity. So when the current is flowing in this cross section area, the area in which the current is flowing, that we call it as an electric current. And next one is the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is at constant temperature, the potential difference across the conductor is proportional to the current passing through the conductor. At constant temperature, that means if the temperature is increased, so what happens? There will be a change in the current. Let us assume here we have taken the resistor and one battery and key. So before applying the key, it will be the circuit is. So here before, when the circuit is in the open circuit, that means when the switch is off, measure the resistance value, and again switch on the current. When the circuit is closed, what happens? The current flows through this resistance. If the current is flowing through the resistance, the temperature of the resistance increases. So here they have given at constant temperature. If the temperature is constant, the potential difference across the conductor is proportional to the current. That means the potential difference is proportional to the current passing through the. That V is equal to IR. Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR. That means potential difference is proportional to the current carrying in the circuit. Mean free path. Mean free path means the average distance travelled by an electron between two successive oscillations is called the mean free path. That means let us assume here if the electrons are moving in the form of waves. So when the electrons is completed the complete waveform, the distance, how much distance it has travelled between two successive oscillations. That means between these two successive oscillations, how much distance it has travelled. We call it as a mean free path. Mean free path. Next, resistivity. The resistivity means the resistance of conductor is directly proportional to its length. Resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the square section area of cross section. That means the resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the wire. So R is proportional to L by A. If you remove the proportionality, you will get the proportional constant which is equal to, we are representing with rho into L by A. Here rho is nothing but the resistivity of the resistance. So these are the terms you have to remember when we are discussing the current electricity. All these terms you have to remember.